Resthaven is a richly diverse community founded on the principles of inclusion and unity, embracing and respecting each person's beliefs, culture, language, sexual orientation, gender identity, lifestyle, life experiences, and values. We work together to provide outstanding care and support for older people and their carers, whether they live at home or at Resthaven. Resthaven is a not-for-profit aged care community service associated with the Uniting Church in Australia, and we live our values every day. From our beginnings in 1935, we have always believed in acting with integrity, honesty, and being reliable. Being a team player and doing what you say you are going to do. Trust means always communicating in an open and transparent way. Dignity is fundamental in all our relationships. We respect the individuality of others and help them be their best. We act with kindness and compassion and listen to understand. We offer people choice to support and empower them to make decisions, encouraging individuality and respecting different views. Working together in partnership, we keep our customers at the center of everything that we do. We embrace and respect each person's beliefs, culture, life experience, and values. Resthaven is purpose-driven for positive change that benefits older people. We know how important it is to have a capable, caring, and skilled workforce. Every day, we develop our workforce capability to provide a safe, dignified, and respectful customer experience. We are working together with purpose and living our values every day.